What's up, everybody? It's your main man here, DJ Ron the Mechanic here, back with another video. So today, y'all, in this video here, man, am I excited or what? My packages came in, and I'm pretty sure y'all wondering, okay, well, what are these packages for? Well, these packages are for a little project I had started on a while back, in which I was kind of like, I guess you can say, debating on which brand that I was gonna use for it. So, hey, look, without any further ado, hey, look, let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. All right, here we go. Y'all see these two boxes right here? Yep, two boxes. Now, what are they for? For this right here. Now, I'm pretty sure if y'all seen my old videos now, y'all remember this box right here. The one that was all tore up and everything, and I brought it back to life, pretty much. Y'all see? Well, guess what? That's what those two boxes are for. Two new 12s. Well, I ain't gonna say new 12s, but I kind of like, let's say, got a good deal on them. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Let me see. I had already had started taking some of the tape off and everything, till I realized I didn't have my camera on. So I'll go ahead and pull it out. Show y'all which sub I decided to go with. There we are. Y'all know the name. That's right. So I got a pretty good deal on a set of these kickers right here. Y'all see it? These are the Comp R's. This is a good looking sub here, y'all. I kid you not. This is a good looking sub. I like the way it's built. You know what I mean? Look, check out those terminals on it. I mean, what other subs you see that have square-like terminals like this, which make it easy for you to install your wire and everything? Nice cone, nice little rubber surround on this here. I like this. I mean, come on, this is legendary kicker right here we talking about, y'all. And boy, this sucker do got a little weight to it. Oh my goodness. Let's flip it over a little bit. Y'all bear with me now. I'm trying to do this with one hand. So here's the back of the magnet right here. Y'all see it? Kicker Comp R12. This right here is a dual 2-ohm right here. Y'all see the venting in the magnet right there? So yeah. Like I said, she got a little weight to it. I ain't gonna lie. You know, for a nice little 12 there, I mean, hey, what you expect, man? I mean, it's kicker, y'all. So, set that bad boy right there. So, yeah. I'm going with two of those up in this box right here. I mean, yes, of course, I look, I know those subs right there can go in how should I say, can't go in a better box, you know, but hey, look. I decided, look, if I was going, you know, add some woofers to this box right here, hey, why not go with one of the best, man? You know, why not go with a, you know, set of kicker subs up in here? You know, I mean, this box here is pretty solid, you know, from the way that I fixed it back up and everything, you know. Just gave it a little tender love, you know what I'm saying? Just brought it back to life. So why not go with the kickers in this box right here? Besides, this will be my first time hearing a set of 12s in a bandpass box like this anyway, you know. I'm mostly old school, basically, pretty much. I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong, I grew up in the era where, you know, these boxes here was like, you know, booming in the 90s, you know, when they came out, you know, but hey, at the sound competitions, you know, back home, I mean, hey, everything you seen was either mostly sealed boxes then. The ported boxes were, I pretty much were just not coming along really for its competition wise. You know, I mean, you know, I'm just speaking for me in my home state, you know. I mean, man, that's all they used, man. It was sealed boxes, you know. But later on down the line, then everybody started using the ported. So yeah. Yep, this is the box, y'all. Like I said, I am very excited to put this bad boy together here. That's right. Go ahead and get the other one out too. Oh man, these suckers got some weight, boy. Jeez. Good quality subs though. Can't complain. So there they are, both of them. That's right. Now, just to let y'all know, hey, look, I bought these used for a nice little price. You know, hey, all I can tell you is, hey, look, I gotta give a shout out to my boy down there in Mississippi. That's right. Life with the Ikes. Hey, if y'all don't know who he is, hey, look, make sure y'all go check out his channel. That's Life with the Ikes. Hey, y'all would know him. Trust me, y'all seen that clean blue box Chevy, you would know. Yeah, so I just happened to catch him at the right time when he was getting rid of these here, you know. Hey, I kind of like, you know, spoke up. Hey, man, what you want to do with them 12's, bro? I like to get them off your hand. So he gave me a nice little price. So, hey, I couldn't pass it up. So, bam, I got both of them. Well, right. So now, just a matter of installing them bad boys in this right here. Yeah, I'm super excited about that though. Let me see, I can go ahead. Matter of fact, y'all can tell I already got wire on the inside already, so I'm gonna go ahead and wire these bad boys up, man, just to hey, see what we're working with there, you know. Hey, look, time to go to work. Let's go ahead and get it. All right. Okay, y'all, I am finally finished mounting these subwoofers in the box. So, hey, y'all ready to see them? Check it out. Tell me what y'all think. They don't look too bad in there, do it? Not at all. I mean, yeah, that glass ain't the best, but hey, look. They look pretty good up in there. Now, I will be honest with you now. The only thing that I really hated about mounting the subs in a box like this though, because of the angles, you know, with the rest of the screws, you know, where you gotta use for to mount the subs in there. So you gotta kind of like have you something like a, what they call it? It's like a flexible piece that you can add to your drill, which enables you to get in, you know, tight corners. Cause other than that, man, look, you in for a long day trying to install these bad boys. But yeah, there they go. They look pretty good in there. So all together from day one, you know, when I first, you know, found the box and everything, I recarpeted the whole box, resealed it, added LED lights on the inside. Then of course, you know, this right here was the last thing, got my woofers in. And plus I had ordered 2 new ports for the match. So all the ports match, same size. See, look pretty good from there. Then of course, you know, you see the terminals, I ordered those. Right there off of eBay. Yep. Good looking terminals on it. So So overall, I mean, it's not a bad looking box though. I mean, hey, look, I did my thing, putting it back together. Yep, y'all see it. Now, as far as the light attachment goes, now I did do a little bolt-on method right there. So with this here, I actually do have a USB adapter for this, in which I can plug this into it, and it's basically a converter, really, that converts 12 volts to 5 volts for this here. So it'll make it much easier for me to hook those up, and just make them flash. Shoot, you know what? Might as well while I'm at it. Look, let me go ahead and get my little box out right quick. Look, let's see what it look like. Go ahead and make sure I got the USB in there right. Okay, USB power is on. Look, you know it's on when you see that little blue light. And power. All right, there we go. Let's turn the lights off. Let's see what them 12 look like in there. Ooh-wee. Tell me what y'all think about that. I'll call this the show box. Yes, sir. I mean, it's only right, look, you got a plexiglass box. Look, might as well do something to show off the woofers. Now, what would be even better though if it was like real clear, without the little small blemishes, but hey, what the heck? It look good though. Can't complain at all. Yes, sir. Look at that glow. That's what I'm talking about. Yep. Go ahead and turn this light back on. All right. And see, I'm just powering it with this right here. Yeah, turn that off. Lights off. But yeah, it looks good though. But the only unfortunate thing though, y'all, and which a lot of y'all waiting on, the sound test. I know, I'm just like y'all. Look, I want to hear how these sound, but unfortunately, because of, I don't think I can run them. Let me see, the ohm load that I have it hooked up, I might. Let me see, that's a dual 2, 4, 5. I think I can, y'all. I think I can. Cause I think it's wired to a 4. Yeah, I think I got them wired to a 4 ohm. So yeah, I probably could. But then again, too, I don't have my little tester with me, my little USB drive for the stereo for to hook it up. But I would have to double check the leads in the back just to make sure that they're at a safe ohm. Cause look, I'm not trying to blow up my receiver over there. So look, I'm gonna do this for y'all. Hey, I'm gonna do another video to add to this one here, so I can hook it up inside the car instead and see what these bad boys do. That would be a whole lot easier, simply because my amplifier is a Class D amplifier that can run 4 ohm, 2 ohm, or down to 1 ohm. So, and the way these here are wired, they're dual 2s, 2 ohm subs. So I got them wired to where they'll be at a 2 ohm load final. So yeah, I can't run into that, but I could definitely run it on my car amplifier. So yeah, so I would do that for y'all. I'm gonna do another video with me installing it in the car, and hey, we gonna do like we did my old school subs. We gonna see what it do, see how much bang we can get out of this. I'm kind of interested myself because I never heard a box like this. You know, with the ports facing up, subs right there. That's gonna be interesting, y'all. Y'all comment below. Tell me what y'all think about it. Y'all think it go produce any good sound? I know I'm curious. So hey, look, this DJ Ron the Mechanic here. Hey, look, make sure y'all turn on that notification bell. So when I drop the next video, when we installing this in the car, you won't miss it. So hey, I'm looking forward to this here. This is what I've been waiting on for the longest. So all right, y'all, this DJ Ron the Mechanic here. Look, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And like I said earlier, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that way you won't miss a video. So yeah, that is it, y'all. Can't wait to test these bad boys out. Yes, indeed. Alrighty, I am out of here and I'll catch y'all on the next one.